Mastering multi-cloud solutions. Your cloud provider's SLA is a ticking time bomb waiting to destroy your business. Why will it be essential for us to establish and negotiate service-level agreements, SLAs, with our cloud providers that align with our organizational requirements, and what measures will we need to take to ensure that their SLAs meet our performance, security, and compliance expectations? Establishing and negotiating service-level agreements, SLAs, with cloud providers is essential for organizations leveraging multi-cloud solutions to ensure operational excellence. SLAs are critical contracts that outline the expected quality, availability, and responsiveness of cloud services. By establishing SLAs that align with organizational requirements, businesses can guarantee that their cloud providers meet their performance, security, and compliance expectations. Firstly, it is crucial to define clear and measurable organizational requirements that the SLAs should adhere to. This involves identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, that are critical to business operations, such as uptime, response time, and data latency. These KPIs will serve as the foundation for negotiating SLAs with cloud providers. Once the organizational requirements are defined, the next step is to negotiate SLAs with cloud providers. This involves working closely with the providers to understand their service offerings, capabilities, and limitations. The negotiation process should focus on ensuring that the provider's SLA meets or exceeds the organizational requirements. Key aspects to negotiate include service availability and uptime commitments, performance metrics, such as response time and latency, security controls and compliance certifications, incident response and resolution times, data backup and recovery processes, communication and notification procedures, penalty structures for non-compliance with SLA terms. To ensure that the negotiated SLAs meet performance, security, and compliance expectations, organizations must implement various measures, including regular performance monitoring and reporting. This involves tracking KPIs and monitoring provider performance to ensure that it meets the agreed-upon SLA terms. Reporting and analytics tools can help identify areas of improvement and provide insights for optimizing cloud resource utilization. Security and compliance audits. Conducting regular security and compliance audits helps ensure that cloud providers adhere to the agreed-upon security controls and compliance certifications. These audits should include vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, and compliance reviews. Incident response and management. Establishing clear incident response and management processes ensures that cloud providers respond promptly and effectively to incidents, minimizing downtime and data loss. This includes defining incident escalation procedures, response times, and communication protocols. Continuous vendor management. Organizations should maintain a continuous vendor management process to ensure that cloud providers continue to meet SLA terms and organizational requirements. This involves regular meetings, performance reviews, and contract renegotiations as needed. Employee training and awareness. Educating employees on the negotiated SLAs and their roles in ensuring compliance is critical. This includes training on incident response, security best practices, and performance monitoring. Governance and policy frameworks. Establishing governance and policy frameworks helps ensure that SLAs are integrated into organizational processes and procedures. This includes defining roles, responsibilities, and accountability for SLA adherence. Third-party risk management. Organizations should implement third-party risk management processes to assess and mitigate the risks associated with cloud providers. This includes evaluating provider security, compliance, and business continuity practices. In conclusion, establishing and negotiating SLAs with cloud providers that align with organizational requirements is critical for multi-cloud solutions. By defining clear requirements, negotiating comprehensive SLAs, and implementing measures to ensure compliance, organizations can guarantee that their cloud providers meet their performance, security, and compliance expectations. This enables businesses to ensure operational excellence, minimize risks, and optimize cloud resource utilization.